going to anneal these rivets. I've put them to length, I've checked the length inside the box. So there's about 5 or 6 millimetres to make each head. I'll get these nice and warm. Although I'm not going to use these ones straight away. So they're at red heat now, they're all annealed. I'm actually going to, oh well, yeah, that one is. I'm actually going to leave them. And in true style, here is one I prepared earlier. And now I'm going to make the first head. So what I've got here is a tube full of oil. And with it, it's got a hard penny at the bottom. If I can get it out. So that is the same length as the rivet, just about the same length. But so I can make the head, I'm going to put a little pin in the bottom, and then I've got that. So I can now make the first head. I have to do this quite gently, otherwise this will bend the copper into the tube and you just cannot get the rivet out of the tube. This is the problem I've had. So there we go. That's the first. So that's the first head. Now we'll pop the out the back, and we now need to go over here. And we'll get the rivet out. Okay. So there's the rivet. Now I have some of these coins, cheaper than washers. Now inside the box we're going to rivet, for this one I'm going to rivet this top plate on, this first hole here, that's going to come up through there, and but to hold the rivet head on the inside we're going to put it into this indentation. For this sometimes I use like a little jack, but this one is just about the right size, so we need to position this under the rivet head. Need to get that just in the right place. Now just a little bit forward. There we go, I think that's it. That will do. So now, and we will create the second rivet head. So that long, oh, it's a bit long, This one, it's going to be a big head. Check everything's still in place, because it does tend to move around a little bit inside. And that's good. Stop. Starting to trim over. It's a bit long. It's a bit long, this one. It's made a big head. It has started to jump out of place a bit. No. That's why. That's falling out. There we are. Okay. There we go. There we go. Finishing that off now. Just coming down. There we go. We'll look from the top. Yeah, we've hit the brass, but that's what happens. So there we go. All done.